How to cancel Sephora order before it ships. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To cancel a Sephora order before it ships, you can typically do so within 15 minutes of placing it either from your confirmation page or your online account. So just head over to Sephora.com from any of your browser, and once you're inside here, you may be able to cancel directly from the order confirmation page or from your online account. So if the option to cancel is still available, that is within the 15-minute window, you will likely see a cancel my order button. And if you miss the cancellation window, that is after 15 minutes, you will need to wait for the order to be delivered and then return the items. So to check the status of your order, you can just visit the order details page and in your Sephora account and look for the order confirmation email, which will also contain a link to your order details. So make sure you have logged into your account before doing that. And once you do all of that, you shall be easily cancel Sephora order before it ships. So always remember that after the time frame of 15 minutes, modification or cancellation is usually not possible in Sephora. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.